Hi guys, welcome to another session in Tableau. In this video, let us talk how we can add shapes to the maps. Before that, one important and simple topic is here to discuss. Here, I am building country map. In the map, I want to show country-wise sales as well as profit details in one map. Then how we can show sales as well as profits in one map? See here, I am bringing sales directly to the size. Instead of this, I am pressing Ctrl Z. Even if you bring sales to the label and even profit to the label, then this is also a map. Say to clearly distinguish between sales and profits, just go to label, just give it the name. Okay. Okay, apply. Even it is also a map representing the sale and profit values, but to showcase you in the best possible way, we are placing the measures under this size and color window. Now I am opening the new sheet. Again I am building the country map. Here, instead of placing the sales under label, I am taking directly to the size window. Here I placed sale values under size. Now I am bringing profit to the color. See here, we are adding sales to the size and profit to the color. That means the bigger in size and the thick in color means both sales are good and profits also higher than compared to the other values. Here if you observe, when compared to this, the size is bigger with this Australia, but color is lighter than this China. Size is a bit less. That means without hovering on that, we need to conclude one thing here with these values. Let us observe between this what is this country? France, and this Australia, this is China, India, and even it is Germany. The next to France is Germany. So first let us conclude, let us give some conclusions and let us check whether those are correct or not. So with the size we are clear that Australia is giving us higher sales, but the color is lighter. That means sales are more and profit is less. With the color thick in color for China and India, that means we here sales are less but profits are more. Thick in color, right? Less in size. Here even if you go to this Germany and here this is France, right? Even for France, the sales are more but profits are less. And the next are this Germany and even this Mexico. They are lighter in color. Now let us start hovering on this. See here, Australia. See, the sales are 9 lakhs and the profit is 1 lakh. For 9 lakh sales, Australia is giving the profit of 1 lakh. See, if you go to China, even for 7 lakh sales, it is giving profit of 1,50,000. That's why it is thick in color. Even see India. India is giving 5,89,000 sales and giving a profit of 1,29,000. That's why it is thick in color. Like this, you can draw the conclusions using color coding and sizing. So, and even here also we can do the same modification. Let us try to use this color coding to see which one are giving us profits and which countries are giving us losses. Just click on this advanced, start, end, and define the center value as 0. See, if you observe, so there are some countries which are showing in red color. So if you hover on that, definitely it is giving the losses. Minus of profit value means those countries are giving the losses. So this is also another way to represent sales and profits in one view. Okay, let us discuss about the shapes in the another video.